Hello, wondering on how to solve this an amazing maths problem? Don't worry, I will take you through it step by step. So remember to work it out and also give us your feedback on this answer. So let's now start with the solution. So watch the video up to the end. So on our solution, this one is the problem that we have. So we have 3 to the power of a minus 3 is supposed to give us 24. So in this case now we are asking ourselves, what is the value of a? So how do we go about solving this problem? Now 24 in this case is a whole number. 3 is a base, then a minus 3 is an index. So it is difficult for us to change 24 to the base of 3. So in this case I will have to use the shortest trick in working out this problem. So I will introduce the log by now saying that the log of 3 to the power of a minus 3 is equals to the log of 24. So after introducing the log, I'll now have able now to change this a minus 3 into another form that I'm just about to explain. So suppose we have the log of p to the power of m. So we shall have this as m, the log of m, the log of p. So the log of 3 to the power of a minus 3. So I can have now a minus 3. So a minus 3 log 3, a minus 3, the log of 3 is equals to the log of 24. So if I'm to remove the log of 3, the next step is to divide both sides by the log of 3. So here the log of 3, so this side also divide by the log of 3. So the log of 3 and the log of 3 cancel, so I shall remain with a minus 3 is equals to the log of 24 all over the log of 3. So the next step is to simplify this problem, whereby we shall now have a minus 3. So a minus 3 is equals to the log of 24 can be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 8 all over the log of 3. So assume we have the log of a multiplied by the log of b. So this one we can rewrite it by now having the log of a plus now the log of b. So in this case, we shall rewrite the log of 3 multiplied by 8 by now having a minus 3 is equals to the log of 3 plus the log of 8, then all over now the log of 3, the log of 3. So here now we shall rewrite it by now saying that, so we say now that a minus 3 is equals to, so the log 3 all over, we shall also divide this by the log 3, then the plus here the log 8, we shall also divide by the log 3. So here let's now rewrite this maths problem again by now saying that a minus 3 is equals to, so the log of 3 all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 8 can also be written as the log of 2 to the power of 3 all over the log 3. So when we rewrite it, still a minus 3 which now is equals to the log of 3 all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 2 to the power of 3, we shall now have 3 log 2 all over the log of 3. So here now we shall now say that a minus 3 is equals to, when you cancel, we shall now have 1 plus, so in this case we shall now have 3 the log of 2 all over the log of 3. So finally, assume we have something like the log of a all over the log of b. So now we shall have the log of a to the base of b as our answer. So that is to mean that a minus 3 shall now be equals to 1 now plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 3. So now we shall now say that, so here now, so a is equals to, now so when we can now have a is equals to now 1 plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 3. then this minus 3 we shall cross it to this other side. Now shall become plus 3. So these are now shall be our value for a. So if you worked out this maths problem, have you got this as your answer? You've got it right. So we can now confirm and verify if our answer is really correct as we say. So let's now confirm within the shortest time. So our question was 3 to the power of a minus 3, and the answer is supposed to be 24. So let's now have our problem by rewriting them. So here now 3. Then instead of having a minus 3, we now have the value for a, that is now 1 plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus 3, then let's not forget this minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to 24. So here now we can write it by now saying 3 to the power of 1 plus 3 the log of 2 base 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0, is all of this is equals to 24. So here now so we shall now have 3 to the power of 1. So 3 to the power of 1 is 3, then that is like 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Then the plus shall now change to the multiplication. So here now we shall have 3 the log of 3. So here now multiplied by, so here 3, this 3 to the power of 3. So 3 here, so 3 to the power of 3 the log of 2 to the base of 3 is equals to 24. So the next step now shall now have 3. So we shall now have the 3, then multiply by, so we shall now again have 3 to the power of, so this one can be written as the log 3 to the log of 2 to the power of 3 base 3 is equals to 24. So here now shall have the log to the base of 3 shall cancel with this 3. So here now shall have 3 multiplied by, so 2 to the power of 3 is now 8, which is equals to 24. So 3 multiplied by 8 is 24, so meaning that 24 is equals to 24. So it means that we are very, very correct when we concluded by saying that the value for a, so the value for a is equals to 1 plus 3 the log of 2 to the base of 3 plus 3. So that is the correct answer. So if you really loved how we solved this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.